everyone, and welcome aboard the Trans Mongolian Railway. I'm Mollie Carey with my sister Jemima. Hi. My dad, my mum, and my grandma and grandpa. Last night I had a great sleep in my cabin. Hey JJ, do you want to give a tour of the cabin? Sounds great.
The tablecloth.
Sounds great. Okay.
Okay, point out some things in this cabin.
So, what's in the cabin? Well, okay everybody, welcome to the cabin. And in each carriage there is about 9 cabins. And in each cabin there is 2 beds and 1 table, 1 large chair, and a cupboard for shoes and coats in. And also there is a shower and a sink. And on this side of the hallway there is a bathroom. And on the other side, up there is a hot water tank. Thank you, Jemima. Now I'm going to ask my fellow friends to see what they would think about the train.
Introduce her. So this is my
grandma, Nanny.
Hi, Nanny.
Nanny?
Yes.
Why do we have to stop at the Mongolian border?
Oh, well, there were quite a lot happening at the Mongolian border. First of all, the gauge on the railway line, that's the width the lines are apart, changes. So in China, it's one width, and in Mongolia, it's a different width. So they have to change the wheels on the train. So, the way they did that, one pillowcase.
tablecloth.
No, it's not the tablecloth.